We are making soup today. A ton of vegetables are going in here. I will be doing a lot of chopping. It is really, really good. It is called the Cabbage fat burning soup. In days of old, this apparently was touted as a recipe to help melt away your thighs. However, it's just vegetable soup, but it's really, really good, and I make it all the time because I love it. So anyway, let's get going. Soup. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 5 carrots, 3 onions. Those are going to be chopped. Then you need 2 cans of whole peeled tomatoes with their juice, 1 large head of cabbage, it's about as large as I could find, 1 envelope of dry onion soup mix, 15-ounce can of green beans, I got the French kind, 2 quarts of tomato juice, 2 green peppers diced, 10 stalks of celery, and a 14-ounce can of beef broth that I forgot to get here, to put here, and then some seasonings that I will talk about when I put them in. Here's the beef broth. Now I need to clean the veggies and start chopping. So on the actual recipe, it doesn't say to do this next step. It's just something that I do. I just sort of tend to, I don't know why, but I feel like it just makes it even more flavorful. But it does add a little bit more calories if you're concerned about that, which I'm really not at the moment. I just kind of want a flavorful vegetable soup. So I saute the veggies first, just with a little bit of olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and I just saute them till they're starting to get, a little soft. And then I add all the other ingredients and let that simmer for a while. So it's just what I do. So I'm gonna do it the way I do it. I will link the recipe below for sure though. So you will have all the instructions on how they do it, which is good too. Absolutely beautiful that way also. I always get the San Marzano tomatoes. I don't know why, but I do. I just think they're tastier. Can do this. I forgot how huge the amount is that this makes, so I'm going to add my other thing in here. Move this aside. it looks like it's finished. Basically, you just need to let it simmer until all the veggies are soft and season it however you want with salt, pepper, any other seasonings. I use that 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. I love that. It's just a whole bunch of good stuff in one bottle. And just do what you want to do to make it taste the way you want to. You can also put in like shredded chicken from a rotisserie chicken if you want to add any kind of a protein to it. This is one of those very forgiving kind of a recipes where you can, if you take something out that you don't care for, if you don't like cabbage, whatever, then put something else in that you do like, kind of a thing. But in general, it's so good. And I will definitely put the original recipe down below. And then I will also put how I do it down below too. So take a look for that. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna have some soup.